Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I want to talk with you about a winter storm that we have that's predicted to arrive in just a couple of days from now. And the reason I want to talk with you about this is we've had some what you might call roller coaster weather, where we've been up in the 70 degrees, 60s, 70s, and then we're dipping down into the teens. And one forecast I saw down into single digits. I don't know if that'll be the case later on, but uh, those temperatures typically are not good for plants and lawns to begin with. But the other thing that we've been dealing with is we're actually in the middle of a bit of a drought. It's been quite some time since we've had any significant rain. And this particular forecast, it sounds like we may get some precipitation, maybe some snow, some sleet, some rain on the first part of it. If that's right, that should help the plants. But still, if when we have those high warm days, the plants start kind of leafing out a little bit, and the roots start becoming active, and then if the soil is dry, what happens is that the soil temperature goes way down further than what the plants are going to like, and so we can see some significant root damage. So to prepare for this, my suggestion to you would be on sensitive plants like flowering plants, maybe on pansies. Those are tough plants. They'll survive pretty much any cold weather we have. But a lot of times if we have this kind of bad weather, we may lose the blooms if they're not covered up. So you might think about covering those if you want to keep the blooms. If you don't want to go to that effort, they'll still survive, and after a couple of weeks they'll bounce right back. On the other plants, it doesn't seem like we're going to have a long enough cold spell for us to really need to cover the plants. If you choose to cover it, this is important. You don't want to use plastic sheets, because what happens is when when the sun comes out and warms up just a little bit, then it will burn those plants. We don't want that. So if you're going to cover up plants, then the best thing to do is to use cloth sheets of some sort. My other recommendation is, as I frequently will say, my recommendation is that we should be watering each week for about 5, maybe 10 minutes a week to keep the plants doing well, and particularly the lawns, and especially the St. Augustine and zoysia lawns. Those can be sensitive to the cold. If you haven't been doing that during this drought, you might want to go ahead and put a little bit of water out there, just on the off chance that we don't get that winter precipitation. And again, right now I don't need a jacket on. It's mid-60s, and we're supposed to get down into the teens. If that soil is dry, the plants just really don't like it. So I hope this helps. If you have questions, you're certainly welcome to reach out to us. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also send it on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, where we grow plants, we grow people, and we grow relationships.